Topic: The Coffee Legend. There is an old Arabic legend on how coffee was first discovered. Do you know it? Well, it is said that there was a goat herder in Arabia named Kabir. One day he found his goats running around in a very excited manner. They had some red berries in their mouth, which they were eating from a shiny dark leaved shrub. So he thought to himself, let me eat some too. And he became as alert and active as his goats. He did not feel sleepy at all and could stay awake all night taking care of his sheep. The other shepherds heard of these marvelous berries and quickly ate them up as well. In the early days, coffee beans were roasted and used as a form of money. They were exchanged for other goods. That's why coffee got the name brown gold, because it was as valuable as gold. People began to cultivate the crop in their fields, and that is how coffee was discovered. People started having coffee in different ways. The most common was crushing the coffee beans and extracting the coffee with hot water. Coffee plants have many species. Some are small shrubs while others big trees. Coffee is grown on large estates as well as small forests. Essay for senior classes. Topic: The art of listening. Who doesn't like to listen to their own voices? We expound theories, give long lectures, talk about everything under the sun, but the hardest thing to do is perhaps listening to others, to sit silently and, even if only for few moments, listen to what someone else has to say. There is much to learn from other people, but we can only learn if we ourselves have time off from our own conversations. Listening is an art in itself. I am not advocating suddenly elapsing into complete silence and becoming dumb. No, we must partake in conversations and show keen participation. But this can also be done by the nod of the head, a word or two, a small comment, so that the other person knows you are also listening and taking part in the conversation. Over and over again, one hears someone referred to as an attention grabber, or a loud mouth who never shuts up, or even a noisy drum. Well, these expressions certainly portray someone who is loud and obviously a great talker. Let's listen as well, try it. You will have lots to gain. As Pandit Jawaharlal's favorite poem expresses, there was once an old owl who lived in an oak. The more he saw, the less he spoke. The less he spoke, the more he heard. I wish more men were like that bird.